Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use YouTube TV multi-view feature. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go to the home screen, and here on the left side, when you choose the topics for you, you can see here this feature, the multi-view feature, as you can see. Simply click on the OK button when you go to this section, and you can see two views right now. Now we can use up to 4 views at once. And here, as you can see, we have this white rectangle around this screen view, and this means that you will actually get the sound from the view on the left side. So if you want to get the sound from the other view, you can simply use the arrows on your remote control and hear the sound from the other view or other match. And now if you want to choose a specific view and only a specific match to watch it in full screen, you can simply hit the OK button when you go and select any one of these views. So here, as you can see, I have pressed OK, and when you click on the down button, you can see more and more options. And if you want to get back to the multi-view, you can simply hit the back button or press the back button on your remote control, and it will navigate you back to the multi-view mode right. Now, another way in order to use the multi-view, let's say that I'm going to pick any one of these matches. I'm going to pick this one here, for example. Then I'm going to hit the OK, and here it shows you 4 options: join live, catch up to live through key plays, resume from last match, or watch in multi-view. So this is another approach that you can actually access the multi-view feature. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.